Like this we solve the working terms. See children, exercise 2.8. In this exercise, some multiplication problems are there. Using the given procedure, there is a procedure, particular procedure is given for you. Using that procedure, we are going to study about the multiplications. 342 is a 3-digit number. This is a 3-digit number. This is 3-digit number. Now, it is to be multiplied with 56. It is to be multiplied with. This is a 2-digit number. 2-digit. 3-digit number is to be multiplied by a 2-digit number. Okay. Now here in step 1, 56 can be written as here. 56 can be written as 50 plus 6. 56 can be written as 50 plus 6. So, multiply 342 first with 6. In step 1, multiply 342 with 6. Multiply 342 with 6. Multiply 342 with 6. Show multiplication. 342 into 6. 6 2s are 12, 2, 1, 1 is there. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25. 5, 2 is there. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2, 50. 6 2s are 12, 2, 1. 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25. Here 5, 2 is there now. 6 3s are 18 plus 2, 50. 2050. In the step 1, 342 is multiplied with 6. With 6 multiplied. Now multiply 342 with 50. In step 2, multiply 342 with 50. With 50 multiply. Show multiplication. 342 into 50. 342 into 50. Once we discussed how to multiply with 50. Simply we multiply it to 5 and add. Keep 0 to the right side. So 342 into 50 multiplications here. Actual multiplication means here. First with 0, 0 2s are 0, 0 4s are 0, 0 3s are 0. With 5 multiply. 5 2s are 10, 0 1 is there. 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21. 1 2 is there. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 7. That means 0 0 1 7 1. Okay children. 17100. In the step 2, 17100 we got. Here 352 is multiplied by 6 first in the step 1, and in the step 2, 342 is multiplied with 50. In step 3, add this one and that means step 1 result and step 2 result. Add the results of step 1 and 2. Add the results of step 1 and 2. That means In the first step, how much we got? 2052. 2052. In the second step, what we got here? 17100. 17100. Now add 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 plus 7 is 9. Here. 19152. 19152. Okay, children? Like this. Actual multiplication. So this is a procedure. This is a procedure of multiplying 342 into 56. 3-digit number is multiplied by a 2-digit number. Then what is the answer you got? 19,150. Okay. So here what we get here? Here I will show you the actual multiplication. 342 is multiplied by how much here? With the 6 first. 2052 you got. How much you got? 2052. After that, you multiplied with 5. How much you got? With 5 multiply here. 5 2s are 10. Okay, first is C. First is 6. 6 2s are 12 to 1. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. 5 2. 6 3s are 18 plus 20. Now with 5 multiply. 5 2s are 10. 0. 1 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21. 1 2. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 7. 2 5 1 9 1 19152. So according to the given procedure, I showed here stepwise. Step 1, step 2, step 3. This is your habitual method. This is your habitual method. If this is according to the procedure given, in the example, a particular procedure is there. According to the procedure, we showed the multiplication. Like this, come to one more example here. Multiply 746 with 123. Multiply 746 into 123. 746 into 123. Using the given procedure. According to a particular procedure, now you show the multiplication. Okay. Right. Before going to a particular procedure, first of all, according to your habitual method, you do it 746 into 120. What will you do? First of all, you multiply all the digits of this number with 3 first. Next, multiply it to 2. Multiply it to 1. Okay, children. 3 6 are 18. 8 1 is there. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. 3 1 is there. 3 7s are 21 plus 1 20. With 3 multiply. Now multiply with the 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 2 7s are. This is your habitual way. Okay, now multiply with 1. 1 6 are 6. 1 4s are 4. 1 7s are 7. Add 8. 3 plus 2. 5. Here 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 6, 17. 7 here, 1 here, right? 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 2 11. So 1 is there. 1 plus 7 8 plus 1 9. 91,758. This is your regular habit. That means usual way. This is your habitual method. Now, according to this given procedure, now you learn how to multiply. Here, (123) can be written as 123 can be written as 100 plus 20 plus 3. 100 plus 20 plus 3, how much? 120. Okay. So what we do here in step 1, see children, 746 is to be multiplied by now 746 we multiply with 3 first. After that we multiply 746 with 20. After that we multiply 746 with 100. So step 1, multiply 746 with 3. Multiply 746 with 3. 3 6 are 18, 8 1, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, 3 1, 3 7s are 21 plus 1 20. Step 2, multiply 746 with 20. 746 with 20. Multiply with 2 and keep 0 to the right side of that number. In multiplying with 20, what we do? We multiply 746 with 2 and we keep 10 to the right side. So with 2 you see, 2 6 are 12, 2 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 7s are 14. See children, 2 6 are 12, 2 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 7s are 4. 2 7s are 14. Now keep 1 0. That is step 2. In step 3, multiply 746 with 100. With 100. Multiplication with 100 means easy. Simply we keep 2 zeros to the right side of that number. So 746. Last 2 zeros keep. Okay, children. Now in step 4, add all. Step 1 result, step 2 result, and step 3 result. Okay, in the step 4, what we do? We add the 3 steps results. Add the results of 3 steps. Okay, now do addition. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, children. Here 2 write correctly in the 100 place. Exactly. Then you see, add 9 plus 2, 11. Okay, if you write correctly in the places, then you will get here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 you write here properly. Properly write 4 digited, here 5 digited, here also 5 digited. Now add 8, 3 plus 2, 5. Here 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Right, 7 here. 1 is there now? 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Write 1 here and 1 here. Now 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. You got it now? So 91,000 something. Here this is actual procedure. This is using a particular method. Using a particular method. That means the example particular procedure is there. According to this procedure, okay, stepwise I showed you how to multiply. That means expanded form we write to the multiplier. Multiplier expanded form. 123 expanded form at 100 plus 20 plus 3. So in the step 1, 746 is multiplied with 3. In the step 2, 746 is multiplied with 20. In the step 3, 746 is multiplied with 100. After that, the 3 results added. Step 1 result, step 2 result, step 3 result added. How much you got? 91,758. Okay, children.